Hi everyone, I'm cooking today a very delicious chicken liver recipe. I am just chopping my ingredients, check them out in the description below. We start by adding oil in the pan, about 2-3 spoons of oil. Then when oil is hot, you add the onions. Cook the onions until they're nice and soft. They don't have to be brown, just nice and soft. When they're soft, you can add the rest of the ingredients. So you add garlic, you add chili, and then you add the chopped tomatoes. You stir them all well. And then you simmer that for about 1 minute or so. Then to that mix, you can go on and add the rest of the ingredients. So you have here vegetable stock, you have paprika powder and salt and pepper. Mix it all well. Then when everything is becoming brown, you add a little bit of water and you keep cooking it. You cook that for about 3 minutes. And after that, you can add the chicken liver. Mix it well and then cover it with a lid. And let it simmer for about 10 minutes. You take the lid off after 10 minutes and you stir it again. And from this point on, you need only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. It's a very delicious recipe. And now to this, you add some parsley. Mix it well. Switch off the fire. And then we serve it. It's very good in vitamin B6. And very delicious. So this is what we have, chicken liver recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.